Hello students, this is the continuation of chapter 2 of class 9 mathematics and the chapter is polynomials. We had already one class on this topic polynomials. This is the second class on the topic polynomials. Today we are going to discuss the topic zeros of a polynomial. What is meant by zeros of a polynomial? Zeros of a polynomial. As the name suggests, there is something related to zero. What is a polynomial? We have seen in the previous class. An algebraic expression of the type, say, px is equal to x square plus x plus 1. This is a polynomial of degree 2. Everything we have seen in the last class. Now, what do you mean by zeros of any polynomial? Listen carefully. Zeros of a polynomial is that value of the variable for which the entire polynomial value becomes 0. I repeat, zeros of a polynomial is that value of the polynomial for which the entire polynomial value becomes 0. Got it? Means for a particular value of x, this entire polynomial value may become 0. It can be one value or it can be more than one value. Means while putting a particular value in place of x, you may get the entire value of px as 0. That particular value is called zero of this polynomial. And that particular value can be a single value or there can be more than one value. For example, while putting x is equal to 1, you may get the px value equal to 0. For example, in the same question, while putting x is equal to minus 3, suppose you are again getting the answer 0, then both are the zeros of this polynomial. And there is a rule also for that. If a polynomial is of degree 2, then it may have two zeros, maximum two zeros. But you will never have more than two zeros because degree of a polynomial is equal to maximum number of zeros of that polynomial. So it can be 2, it can be 1, and it can be nil also. It is also not necessary that all the polynomial has a 0. So we are going to discuss all these things in detail in this topic. So zero of a polynomial means that particular value of the variable for which the entire polynomial value becomes 0. Okay. Now I am going to do exercise 2.2 to know more about this topic. Exercise 2.2. Question number 1. Find the value of the polynomial. Find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3. 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at first one x is equal to 0, second one x is equal to minus 1 and third is x is equal to 2. Find the value of this polynomial at this. What do you mean by finding the value of a polynomial at this? I think you have already done it in class 7 or even smaller classes. Finding the value of a polynomial at this means simply putting the value of x is equal to 0 in the given polynomial, you will get the value of x, value at x is equal to 0. When you put x is equal to minus 1, wherever you find x, you will get the value of this polynomial at x is equal to minus 1. Similarly this. So, in order to do this type of questions, we can do, let the given polynomial be p of x. This is the standard form of representing any polynomial. Here this p stands for polynomial, this x stands for the variable present in that polynomial. If the variable in the given polynomial is y, then we will write p of y. So let p of x is equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Now we are going to do the first question. Finding the value of this polynomial at x is equal to 0. It can be mathematically denoted as p of 0. Finding the value of a polynomial at x is equal to 0, its mathematical representation is p of 0, means x is equal to 0. So 5 into 0 minus 4 into 0 square plus 3. 5 into 0, 0, 4 into 0, 0 plus 3 is equal to 3 answer. Second one, at x is equal to minus 1 means p of minus 1 is equal to 5 into minus 1 minus 4 into minus 1 the whole square plus 3. 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. Minus 1 the whole square is plus 1. Plus 1 into minus 4 is minus 4 plus 3. Minus 5 minus 4 minus 9. Minus 9 plus 3 equal to minus 6. And the third one is p of 2. X is equal to 2 means p of 2. P of 2 means 5 into 2 minus 4 into 2 plus 3. 10 minus 8 plus 3. 10 minus 8 plus 3 is equal to 5. Okay, this is simple. We might have done in smaller classes. To find the value of a polynomial at this.
1.
Now question number 2. Question number 2 is find p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2. For each of the following polynomial. You are given 1, 2, 3, 4 polynomials are given below. For each of these polynomial, you have to find p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2. So for each of the polynomial, you will get 3 answers. And the first polynomial is p of y is equal to y square minus y plus 1. This is just like our previous question. Now find p of 0. P of 0 means wherever there is y, you may put 0. So 0 square minus 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 answer. Now find p of 1. 1 square minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 plus 1 equal to 1 answer. Now p of 2 is equal to 2 square minus 2 plus 1. 4 minus 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 answer. So that's all for the first polynomial p of y. Similarly, you are given a p of 2t, then p of x, then again p of x. 3 more polynomials are given. For each of the polynomial, you may have to find out p of 0, then p of 1, then p of 2. That's all. Do the remaining 3 as homework. Now see question number 3. Verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against the, I repeat the question, verify whether the following are zeros of the given polynomial indicated against the. Everywhere you are given 8 questions below. In all these 8 questions are different polynomials, and some values of x are indicated along with the given polynomial, and you have to check whether that given value of x is the zero of the given polynomial or not. We have already studied what do you mean by zero of a polynomial. Zero of a polynomial is that value of the variable for which the entire polynomial value becomes 0. So, what are you supposed to do? Take the given values of x indicated against each question, put it in place of x. If the answer is coming 0, then you will write yes, this value is the 0 of this polynomial. Wherever you get the answer is not equal to 0, you will write no, it is not the 0 of the polynomial. That's all. So, take the given values of the variable, put it in place of the variable and check the answer. If the answer is 0, yes, it is the 0. If the answer is not 0, no, it is not the 0 of the given polynomial. Question number 1. Px equal to 3x plus 1 and the value of x is given minus 1 upon 3. X is equal to minus 1 upon 3. So we have to check whether this given value of x, that is minus 1 upon 3, is the 0 of the given polynomial or not. So what will you do? We will find the value of p of minus 1 upon 3. P of minus 1 upon 3 means 3 into minus 1 upon 3 plus 1. We will put x is equal to minus 1 upon 3 in place of x. 3 and 3 got cancelled. Minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. Since we got P of minus 1 upon 3 equal to 0, what will you write? Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 upon 3 is the 0 of Px. I hope all of you understood. This is the only thing that you have to do. Take the given value of x or any variable, put it in place of that variable present in the polynomial and check the answer. If the answer is 0, yes, this is the 0 of Px. And wherever you get the answer is not equal to 0, you will write no, this is not the 0 of the given polynomial. I will do few more questions of this. Now question number 2. You are given another polynomial Px is equal to 5x minus pi. And the value of x is given 4 upon 5. Remember, wherever you see pi in a polynomial, don't take its numerical value. Leave this pi as pi only. So 5x minus pi, given x is equal to 4 upon 5. So in place of x, you may put 4 upon 5. And you know that since there is minus pi, you will not get the answer 0. So the answer is no, it is not the 0 of the polynomial. You may leave the answer in pi only. Don't put its numerical value of 22 upon 7 or 3.14. Question number 3. Two values of x are given. So nothing new. We have to take both the values one by one and we have to check it for it. Question number 3. Px is equal to x square minus 1. And the values are given. X is equal to 1, comma, minus 1. Two values are given. So we have to check for both the values. We will begin with x is equal to 1 first. P of 1 is equal to 1 square minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we will again find P of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 the whole square minus 1. What is minus 1 the whole square? Plus 1. 1. This is question number 3. Now p of minus 1. So minus 1 the whole square is 1. Minus 1 is equal to 0. So we got 0 for both the values of x. So what is the final answer? Therefore, x is equal to 1 and minus 1 are the zeros of px. Since we got p of 1 is 0 and p of minus 1 is also 0, both are the zeros of px. Sometimes you may get, for one value you may get the answer 0, for the other value you may not get the answer 0. So accordingly you have to write the answer. That's all. Now let's see the next question. And the next question is, okay, I'm doing the next question also, question number 4. It is px equal to x plus 1 into x minus 2. X plus 1 into x minus 2, and the values of x are minus 1 comma 2. X is equal to minus 1 comma 2. So the first one is p of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 plus 1 in the first bracket, minus 1 minus 2 in the second bracket. Minus 1 plus 1 0, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. 0 into minus 3 is 0. Now we will do p of 2. P of 2 means 2 plus 1 into 2 minus 2. 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 minus 2 0, 3 into 0 equal to 0. And at both the places we got the answer 0. So what is your final answer? Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 and 2 are the zeros of px. Now I am going to do the next question. Now I am going to do question number 6. And question number 6 is px equal to lx plus m and x is equal to minus m upon L. Here we are given only one value of x. That means here the variable is x. L and m are constant. But the value of these constants are not given. So let it be as it is. L and m will be treated as L and m only. The value of x is given minus m upon L. So p of minus m upon L is equal to L into, in place of x, minus m upon L plus m. This L and L got cancelled. Minus m plus m equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus m upon L is the 0 of px. I hope all of you understood. So you are given some polynomial and some values of the variable is indicated against each question, and you are asked whether the given value is the 0 of the given polynomial or not. Take that given value, put it in place of the variable and check the answer. If the answer is 0, yes, it is the 0. If the answer is not 0, you will write no, it is not the 0. That's it. So do the remaining questions of question number 3 as homework. Now question number 4. Find the 0 of the polynomial in each of the following cases. Now we are asked to find the 0 of the given polynomial. First one, px is equal to x plus 5. we are asked to find the zero of this polynomial. Always remember, zero of a polynomial is that value of the variable for which the polynomial value becomes zero. So for 0 of px, what is needed? The value of px equal to 0. So we write let px equal to 0. If px equal to 0, we will get an exact value of x. That value of x is called its 0. That is x plus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 5. Therefore, 0 of this polynomial is 0 of this polynomial is minus 5. I hope all of you understood. So for finding the 0 of the given polynomial, let the given polynomial equal to 0 and find the value of the variable given in that polynomial. That value of variable is called 0 of that polynomial. Okay? There are many more questions given. I may do one or two. All the questions are very easy. For finding the 0 of the given polynomial, let the polynomial equal to 0 and find the value of x, if x is the variable. Or whatever is a variable in the given question, find the value of that variable. I may do one or two more. See question number 6. Question number 6 is p of x is equal to ax where a not equal to 0. Means if a is 0, then this polynomial does not exist. That way it is given a not equal to 0. So once again same method. For 0 of px, let px equal to 0. That is ax equal to 0. X is equal to 0 upon a equal to 0. Therefore, 0 of this polynomial is 0. So 0 can also be the 0 of a polynomial. 0 is a numeral. Is it? 0 is a numeral, so 0 can also be one answer. 0 can also be the 0 of any polynomial. Now let me do the last question, question number 7. Question number 7 is px equal to cx plus d, where c not equal to 0, c and d are real numbers. So for 0 or zeros of px, let px equal to 0. That is cx plus d equal to 0. We have to find the value of x. So cx equal to minus d, x equal to minus d upon c. Therefore, 0 of this polynomial is minus d upon c. So that is the end of this exercise. I hope you got the points that were discussed today. What is meant by 0 of a polynomial? That was our main discussion. I repeat for conclusion, 0 of a polynomial is that value of the variable for which the entire polynomial value becomes 0. It can be one value, more than one value, and no value also. That's all for today. Practice all these questions and practice some more extra questions and ask your doubts in the comment box. Take care of you. Bye bye.